when she calls, when she calls, or when she calls, when she calls. There's a knock on the door. It's like, who can it be? And then they say it's for you. It's like it cannot be. It's like 7 a.m. Damn, who can it be? Oh, it's you. It's like a fantasy. Damn, I thought you came at 3.
Today is Chuyi, the first day of the Chinese New Year. I got my groceries.
I'm home now. My hair is frazzled. I was sweating through the metro trying to carry all of my groceries. Yeah! So I bought loads of snacks for tonight. Mochi. I'm gonna make tangyuan, which is like glutinous rice balls. I have drinks as well. And I have I don't personally drink, but I have a wine collection already from previous parties I've hosted, and people just keep on bringing wine. At 7:30, Nicole, my friend, is gonna come over and make tangyuan with me. And it's my first time doing it, so this might be risky. Yeah, that's right.
Dreaming. It feels like I'm dreaming with you. Like I'm dreaming with you. Flowing away, but my love, it stays for you.
Tonight is the night. We're finally going into Palais Garnier. I've been wanting to do this since arriving in Paris, so we're gonna go watch a ballet tonight before swing dancing. I've already got my glasses on, I'm so excited.